How to remove silence in CapCut. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your CapCut application.
In this video, we're going to learn how.
Then go to new project. Select a project. Add it. After that, go to text and then go to auto caption. And now you just have to select or template and then tap on generate. After this, it will auto generate all your captions in the video. After the captions are generated, you can also edit it from here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.